Towing isn't just about power. It's about preparation, control, and responsibility. Trailer tires carry heavy loads and often sit unused. Check pressure, tread depth, and sidewall cracks before they fail you on the road.
A truck under load works harder than ever. Brakes, fluids, and cooling system, every component must be ready.
One wrong size can turn into a catastrophic failure. Always match the hitch ball exactly to the trailer coupler. Breakdowns don't wait for convenience. Carry the tools you need so a minor issue doesn't become a dangerous situation. Safety chains are your backup plan. Crossed properly, they help control the trailer if the hitch ever fails. Your trailer must communicate with the road. Working lights mean safer stops, turns, and lane changes. Not all hitches are created equal. Match your hitch to your truck's towing capacity and trailer weight. Visibility is control. Tow mirrors expand your view and reduce blind spots.
Towing burns more fuel than you expect. Plan your stops, because running empty is not an option.
When parked, gravity doesn't rest. Wheel chocks keep your trailer exactly where it belongs. Length, weight, height. Knowing your trailer means knowing your limits. Towing trailers cut corners tighter than trucks. Wider turns prevent costly mistakes.
More weight means more momentum. Brake early, leave space, stay in control.
The right lane gives you time and space. Less pressure, more safety.
Every load is different. Adjust trailer brakes to match the weight you're towing.
Heat kills brakes. Use lower gears and let the engine help you slow down.
Backing a trailer tests even experienced drivers. A spotter saves time, damage, and lives.
Towing with a truck isn't about speed. It's about preparation, patience, and respect for the road. Tow smart, drive safe.